Hi everyone, my name is Andrejs Doronins and welcome to my course Java Refactoring Best Practices. Any serious software project accumulates technical debt over time, and without any refactoring, it is likely to fail sooner or later. Refactoring is an essential skill of any professional software engineer, and this course gives you hands-on training how to do it. Some of the major topics that we will cover include identify issues in a software project, understand why they are bad, and how to refactor them. By the end of this course, you will gain the ability to convert clunky and difficult to maintain code into elegant and flexible software. Before beginning the course, you should have some professional experience with Java in any IDE such as IntelliJ or Eclipse and be able to write object-oriented code. I hope you'll join me on this journey to better code quality with the course Java Refactoring Best Practices here at Pluralsight.